So this is a room tour of room 27201 at Excalibur Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas. And this is a newly renovated Superior Resort King. Now when I say newly renovated, what that really means in Excalibur terms is they've taken old furniture from MGM Grand across the street and upgraded their worn furniture with that. But they have redone the bathroom, and I think this room's pretty good. Just bearing in mind it is Excalibur. The shower's been redone. I've seen other videos of these rooms, and you can have a hard sort of sliding door or shower curtain, and in some cases I think a tub. But anyway, I've got just a curtain, but it doesn't flood or anything. It's perfectly good. Good pressure and good heat as well. And then your regular hanging space in there. Decent headboard, very comfortable bed. This is my third night today. Interesting artwork. And a workstation in the corner there. You don't really have too many options connection wise. There's no USBs or anything, so just plugs. And then you do get a fridge though. So fridge for your own stuff. I've got a milkshake in there and a Dr. Pepper. Regular drawers. Now I have to show you this. This did make me laugh actually. This, if you look at the menu here. Now look at just look at this. Actually, on my phone, it looks better than it does in person. I mean, this must have been the original from the 90s. You know, the original screen to access your guest services and everything, because it's barely VHS quality. The resolution is like 100 lines or something. You know, it's absolutely shocking. But actually, this phone makes it look half decent. But it did make me laugh anyway. Ice bucket down there. And in this room, the superior rooms all have a tub in the corner that sort of juts out. Now, you've even got steps to go in. Now, most of them actually have a little window in the wall that you can look through as you're sitting in the tub. Mine doesn't. So you get slightly more privacy, I guess. But I don't know, I think this is a decent room for Excalibur, I really do. I was pleasantly surprised. And you've got an old, very old air conditioning unit there. And my view is a nice one. That's beautiful, isn't it? Windows are a bit dirty, but still a nice view. And it looks great at night as well. So I got this 4 nights free, 715 in free play, and 450 resort credit, of which I've got about $80 left to use. I've used most of it. And it's been really nice actually after, well, the last time I stayed here was 2019. And then, as I mentioned in my regular vlog, my first ever solo trip 20 years ago this year was here at Excalibur. I think it's a decent destination. It's a budget hotel, but you know, this is a decent room for, I would say, a reasonable price, even if you don't get it free. Obviously, you'll have to look on their website for all the details, but inexpensive, comfortable, clean, and you know, the furniture isn't beaten up. I mean, it really isn't. They've obviously made sure they haven't brought anything over that's too worn from MGM Grand. So all in all, absolutely a thumbs up from me. Speak to you soon.